Made with passion, made by craftsmen, made in England. But the Fracino story started more than 50 years ago, when owner Frank Maxwell went on holiday to Italy and came back with a little souvenir.
I went on holiday to Cattolica in 1962 and I found this old machine. The cost of it was 5,000 lira, which is £3, or was £3 at that time. That was the start of it. I brought it back to England, I stripped it, I rebuilt it, and I realised that it was nothing that I couldn't produce myself.
Now Fracino sells coffee machines to the Italians and the rest of the world, turning the raw materials into machines which will give you the best coffee time after time after time. Fracino is a family business. Frank's son Adrian is now at the helm.
We turn a piece of sheet raw metal, so whether it be mild steel, zinc coated steel or stainless steel, from a flat sheet, we load that onto the laser cutting machine. We then laser cut the shapes out of whatever that body panel or part might be. It comes off the laser cutting machine, which is the latest technology, goes onto the bending machines, which are 100-ton Armada brake presses. We have 2 of those with 7-axis control, and we bend and fabricate all the panels there to shape. Then they might go for powder coating, which is another process that's done to put the coloured finishes on, like you can see on the machine next to us here, or gold plating onto the machines that are here. Bars of brass, aluminium or stainless steel go onto our machining centres, and we machine those into the parts, so every nut, bolt, screw, liner that's fitted onto the machine, even the valve parts, the steam nozzles, everything is manufactured here in the factory in Birmingham, from bar to a finished product. All the tube bending, we turn raw copper tube, which is drawn again in the UK, it's all made locally. We form all the tube, including the steam tubes, all the tube work that goes inside the machines. We then do all the silver soldering and brazing of all the fittings onto that tube. It's all cleaned and polished, and then goes onto the assembly lines where we actually manufacture the machines. We sub-assemble all the main parts, so like the steam valve, the group, all the bits inside those machines are put together as a separate item, so it's a large lump that's put onto the machines, and then they go onto the track like a normal production assembly line as you would see in the car industry. The Italians have been making espresso machines for over 100 years, and they make the best pumps and motors. So why wouldn't we use the best pumps and motors in our best British manufactured espresso machines?
Fracino, for your cafe, for your restaurant, for your home. Make Fracino part of your day.